What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about building things, customizing things, making things better, and have a little fun. I've not posted a video in a little while. The reason why is, well, you know, if you do anything like I do, that it's kind of tough to find projects right now. Unfortunately, everybody wants basically what it's worth, not broken, but it's broken. So I've been finally fortunate to pick up a couple different projects. Today's going to be a new project, and well, this is our new project now. I might as well go ahead and take the cover off it because you kind of see in the previews what exactly it is. And that is our, that's our new hoopty. So as you'll see, it's ugly, absolutely devastatingly ugly. There's a lot of things going on with it. But to give you a background on the bike, the previous owner had shared with me that the bike won't start, apparently. It's got a dead battery, which definitely had a dead battery, completely dead, 0.2 volts. I charged it. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll find out. However, before we get there, I want to go ahead and do a walk around on the bike and kind of just inspect everything and see what's going on with it before we try to start it. I have not touched this bike. I literally unloaded it off the trailer and here it sits. So it's, no doctoring. So let's go ahead and move forward. Let's walk around this thing and check things out. All right, so first thoughts, first visuals. We can see we obviously need mirrors and probably front signals. Not a big deal. You can see that there's going to need some body work. And the yellow, no offense to anybody that has this yellow, but I think it looks awful on this bike. They're actually good looking bikes. And it's not doing it for me in yellow. So that's going to have to change. You know how the channel does, so we'll definitely change that. But you can see some more body work here that's need repaired. Actually, we do have a turn signal right there, don't we? It looks like it's fell over. I see dirt inside the slider there, nothing major. So I don't know what's up with all the wrapping on it. I did notice there was some kind of weird home DIY charging system on it or whatever. So that's, well, it's kind of off. I unplugged it, but it's still kind of hanging on there. It's got a Corbin seat, which looks like it's been through hell. There's the battery again. I don't know if that's going to start it, but we're going to try it. But you can see quite a bit of damage on it. I did notice when I was pulling up the trailer, it's got a brand new back tire, Bridgestone Battlax or Batlax or whatever they call it. So that's good there. You can see it's missing some panels. I'll have to order those panels if we decide not to part it out and fix it, which we probably will. Broken signal over there, so I guess we do need signals. That's what it is. More body work that is need to be done. That's kind of strange. There's another clutch wire along the original clutch wire. It's kind of weird. Let's see what happens when we pull it in. Well, it works. I don't know why there's another one. Some strange wiring all over the place. I do see... I don't know what that is. Okay, well, that'll probably be fun, fixing that. Let's go ahead and move forward. Everything I could see on it, it looks fairly decent. It's got aftermarket brake rotors that are probably Amazon brand on the front of it. I could tell by the tin gold. Nothing crazy. It looks like aftermarket-wise, it's got the seat and, you know, the typical stuff you're going to throw on from Amazon or eBay. Exhaust. Well, it's got an LED undertail, and it looks like it's got some kind of exhaust. I can't tell. We'll see when we get it off. I don't know if it's a straight pipe or an actual exhaust, but it's got a rounded tip, so maybe that's good news. I can also see some wiring in there. I don't know what that is. Maybe that LED tail. I'm not sure. Show a shock. I don't know if that's stock or not. It probably is. So yeah, this is the bike. It's in need of work. I don't see any major damage on it. I think most of it's going to be mechanical. So, with all that said, let's go ahead and see if we can start this thing. Run. On. It just primed. Let's go ahead and prime it again. Let's see if she fires. Ooh. Okay, so it runs. It's got a loud hissing noise coming from in here somewhere. Oh, what is that? So we better shut it off. So as you can see, that looks to be the ignition coil jumping in and out, as if there's maybe not a spark plug in it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, if it'll focus. It looks like it's got oil all over it, probably because there's no plug in it, or it's popped loose. A little splice in our wire there. Well, it runs. So, okay. The previous owner said it didn't, but Maybe because he didn't want us to know that it did that. It doesn't seem like it's a big deal. I mean, obviously it's got compression coming out of the spark plug hole, so either the plug wasn't put back in, the plug came out, or it needs a helicoil to fix a bad thread. I don't know. We're going to find out as we dig into it. But at this point, I just wanted to kind of run through everything, check things out, and get ideas. So you guys know the drill with these videos. The initial video is always kind of the run through. So I want you guys to comment what we're going to paint it. I've got an idea that I actually want to do on the Viper. I don't know. It's expensive. It's a pearl, like we always do color changing pearls. It's a little bit more tame. I have a kind of cool idea for it. You guys can let me know your thoughts first as to what you want. I'll share with you kind of my idea on the next video. And if it works out, we'll do that. If not, we'll do what you guys think we should do. So go ahead and comment below on that. But this is a new project. It is an 03 that actually runs. So it is what it is. All right, so that's our new project, 2003 Honda CBR600RR. Obviously, comment below again on paint colors and what you guys think. Obviously, if you have advice on what is wrong with the bike, definitely leave those comments below too. This is your project as well. And as far as liking the channel, if you haven't done it already, definitely throw that thumbs up if you are excited to see the next video and break into this thing. Obviously, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. That'll obviously give you a chance to see all the upcoming videos on this project, and even allow you to go back and look at some of our old projects and cool things that we've done. So, appreciate you guys watching. I will see you on the next one.